So hello guys, welcome back to Simplyy Jackk. Do you hate YouTube ads? You want to watch your favorite video but a boring ad starts playing. It's so annoying, right? Today I will show you a magic trick to remove all ads for free. It's very simple. Step number 1, go to Google and search for Brave browser. You can simply download it directly or click on first link. Click on Get Brave option. Wait till the download is completing. Here the pop-up comes for the installation. Click on this and give permission yes to it and wait till it is installing in your PC and it is safe. Don't be worried about your data and PC virus. This is almost a legal process to do it. So finally we have installed Brave in our laptop. Now I am giving permissions or denying permissions. After setting up Brave, now we have to search YouTube on the Brave. Opening YouTube on Brave, as soon as YouTube starts, there is an option of installation in the search bar. You just have to install. Clicking on install, it will download YouTube on your desktop. Now I am signing with my own Gmail. Now you can enjoy YouTube ads free. You can open any video and there will be no ads in it. And I have already made YouTube app icon install on desktop. So that's all for today. We will meet in next video. Thank you.